Alright, welcome once again to another edition of Vmix. Actually, this is the first dictionary tutorial I'm going to undertake, right? And I'm sure it's going to be wonderful. It's going to be a wonderful experience. All I need from you is your full cooperation, and we're going to reach this successfully. Please learn Vmix. If you want to learn Vmix, just open your mind to it now and learn it. Now, the next thing is Vmix is all about presentations, projections, right? You can use it to do a lot of things you want to do, a lot of projections, a lot of videos that you want to live stream on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. This Vmix to do it. And I actually recommend it to persons that are interested in projections and video making on social media optimizations. I actually recommend Vmix. Alright, so let's log in. Alright, first of all, download your Vmix. Make sure you have your Vmix in your system. You can download it from any website. Get into your system. When you get Vmix in your system, all you need to do is just open your Vmix, right? So let's open my Vmix now. Alright, you see here? Yeah, it's Vmix, right? So I'm going to open it by double clicking. Something happened, the system actually crashed. I didn't know the system could not carry Vmix. I didn't even check the system specifications. So I just went ahead and just installed it. The system actually crashed and I had to pay for it. So in any way you want to install your Vmix, make sure your system specification is okay, right? Maybe the graphics should be 2.15, at least 2.15 and so on, before Vmix can work conveniently in your system, right? So the view screen, anything that comes up here is what you only see. Then this other one at my right hand is your main screen. This is your program screen. Anything that comes up here goes into your library. In case you are using projection and you have an audience, anything that comes up here goes to your audience. Your audience is everything that comes up here. So anything in this other one, on the left screen, it's for you only. It is for your own consumption, right? Now, you should not forget about your system setting, right? In case you want to project whatever you want to do, maybe it's a church service, a seminar, you have to make sure that you put your system setting and your projection setting on extend. Now, the shortcut to do that is press your Windows key and P on your keyboard, and your project settings will come up. Now you find it, this PC only, this only for you, this duplicate, this extended second screen only. Now this is your main option. You click on it if you are using a projector, maybe a television, you want to project things on it. This is what you use, right? And when you click on extend, this is the screen that goes on to your audience. Alright. So now here we have this is a new set. If you want to open a new set of programs, you click on here. If you have an already saved program, you can click on open to take you down there so you can upload the programs again. This is where you can save your existing programs. The last thing that was opened on your Vmix. If you want those same things to come out again without you adding them again, you just have to click on last and it will come up. Alright. Now this is your full screen. Your full screen, when you are using a projector, maybe a screen, and you have an audience, if after you have set your projection, that is the extent, you can now come here and click on full screen. Here it enables you to showcase whatever you have on your program screen on the full screen, right? When it is green, it means that the full screen is on. If it's not green, it means that the full screen is not on. You still have a blank screen, right? Now this is a quick play. This is cut, this is fetch, this is match, this is wipe, this is stinker 4, This is FTP. Alright, this the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are just transition mode. The way you want your programs to move from your preview screen to your program screen, any style you want. It's called transition mode. So you can have a quick play, you can have a cut, you can have a fade, you can have a image, you can have a wipe. There are a lot of it. Just if you want to see the other transition mode, all you need to do is to come under here, right click on your mouse, right? Then you have a lot of transition modes. You can now see a lot of them. You can see fade, zoom, wipe, slide, fly, cross zoom, fly, rotate, cube, zoom, vertical wipe, vertical slice, image, wipe, reverse, slide, reverse, vertical. A lot of it. Right, it depends on your own decision, right? Right. Now here, come now here, find out you have these are your input. These are your input. We have 1, 2, we have other inputs. Depending on the numbers you want, these are your input. Now these are the colors of your input, right? It's just about the environment, right? So anything you want to add, it's first of all come up here and you select them, bringing them down here, then you now bring them down here. And they also have their own transition mode in case you don't just want to waste your time to be, you can actually move them from here down to your program screen by using the transition mode, which is quick play or cut. And to come up here, right? Alright. Now, this is another one, add input. Add input enables you to add things to your Vmix environment in case you want to project your files, your camera. This is where you add them. Here it means you want to record a program you are actually projecting. Here means external, you want to kind of, maybe you have an external output. That is this where you go, maybe the settings here, you set them and you use it. This when you want to like stream this stream, is where you want to like stream to any social media. Yeah, this is multi-coder. This way you code those, and depending on the screen number you have. Alright, and a lot more. Now don't forget about your audio mixer. This is where you mix your audio, right? Especially if you are really doing productions and you really want this thing to be recorded, you really want your audio to sound fine. Use your audio mixer on Vmix. Alright, so here we go. Now the first thing for today is how do you add a program to Vmix? If you want to add a program to Vmix, all you need to do is after opening your Vmix, you come to add program. You see here, add program. Click on it. Then it will bring out series of platform in which you can actually add your program through. Now we have video. If you want to add a video, you come here and click it. DVD, come here and click it. List, camera, NDR, desktop capture, stream, STL, instant replay, image sequence and stinker, video delay, image, photos, PowerPoints, color, audio inputs, titles, visual sets, web browser, video calls. A lot of inputs depending on what you want. You are come here and select them. Right now, for instance, you want to add a video, right? So come on video. Now come to browse. When you now press browse, it will take you down to your system library so that you can select the video that you want. Alright, so you can click on browse. Now this is my library. Alright, this is my library. Yeah, so I'm just going to go to videos, and we have numbers of videos here. I have numbers of videos here, right? So I'm just going to select the one that I wished. Right. So now, because this is the first thing that I'm adding to my Vmix right now. It went straight to my program screen mix right now. It went straight to my program screen, which is normal. Since my full screen is still off, is normal. Since my full screen is still off, that means my audience cannot see what I'm doing. Till I put on my full screen, that is when my audience can see the thing that is here. But for now, my full screen is off, so I am still safe. That is here. But for now, my full screen is off, so I am still safe. I can now still arrange myself. Alright, so I want to now bring this thing down here, so that it will be only me that can view this one, because this is my preview screen. It is only for me. Alright, so I now use one of the transition mode. I use quick play. It has come down here. That my program screen is now blank, original. Alright, so for me to know what the video is all about, I have to first of all play it for my own, in case you don't know what the video is all about. So I play it so that I can understand the video and before taking it to my audience. The idea is you have to be professional in it. You don't want your audience to know that you did a mistake. You don't want your audience to just see that you are putting the wrong video instead of the right one. Alright, so you first of all cross check the video on your Vmix. Alright, there are two ways of cross checking. One, you can actually come down here. You see this play icon. You can click on the play icon. It will play for you, right? Check, you should have an audio. You click on the audio. If the video has an audio, to start playing, and your audience are still safe. What's on your screen, the screen of your audience is it is blank, so they are still safe. They don't know what is going on in your system. Now when you are things and the video you want to display, you can now bring it down. You can now put it on for your audience to view. Alright, so I'm going to take it to my audience screen. Then when it goes down to my audience screen, it plays automatically till I decide to video, right? Alright, if I want to play it again, I play. Know that anything that comes up here, your audience are seeing it. Maybe you are recording also. Your recording is from this screen. This is where your audio. This is where your recording takes place, right? Maybe you a project, maybe you want to do, you are actually streaming. This, your social media takes this screen as your screening screen. Yeah, so anything that comes up, you just know that it is for your audience. It's not only for your own consumption, right? That is how to add a video to Vmix. Alright, let me pause the video now. Alright, now there is other forms of inputs that you can also add. Or maybe in my next class, I'm going to take us out on how to add a camera to your Vmix, external camera. Maybe if your system has a webcam, like my system doesn't have a webcam. If your system has a webcam, you can actually add it to your Vmix. Maybe your church, maybe you have your personal camcorder. This way you go to add the camera. Maybe you have maybe you want to use your phone as your camera. I'll actually take us on how to connect our phone's camera to Vmix and use it as your main camera, right? But for now, let's go to image, right? Image, if you want to add image, the same thing, the same procedure. Go to image icon here, then go to the browse icon, then search for the image you want. Now I click on OK. Now this is the image, right? So now it is on my preview screen, right? Now if I want to move it to my audience or my program screen, I have to use one of the transition mode. But in case you are producing, you don't want to go over the stress of clicking, right? Clicking here for it to come down here, then you have to click here for it to come down here. You can actually use one of these icons, quick play or cut. It will go straight to your audience screen or your program screen. Alright, so it went there straight, right? That's it. Then there are other functions. Maybe in my next class I'll take us on other function joining on Vmix, and it's always interesting when you are knowledgeable about what you are doing on Vmix, right? So, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button wherever you see this video. Don't forget to count. Ciao.